Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. I want to show you today how to make an alarm keypad like this one here. That's the ICT Protege TouchSense keypad in black. Basically, I want to show you how to configure this keypad to only display messages and alarm messages from one area only. So basically the area that is assigned to the keypad. So the typical scenario for this is you have a GX system or a WX system that is basically controlling doors or partitions for different companies, right? So basically what I'm going to show you is I have this reader for the main entrance of the offices area, and this reader is the main entrance for the car rental company, okay? So basically when there's an alarm in this section, in this partition, this keypad is assigned to this office area partition, so it's going to ignore and it will not show the messages for the car rental partition or area. All right, and then we could have added a second keypad for the car rental area. All right, so this is so the people in the office are not bothered with troubles or events or alarms in the other company that's renting a space in this building. It's very simple. We need a user with a pin, we need an access level with a menu group and also the area group, including, let's say, the office area in this case. Okay, so we've covered this before in other tutorials. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I did to the keypad so it works that way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the forced open trouble input to trigger alarms in the office area and in the car rental area, and then you're going to see the difference. Okay, so basically what I needed first is to have an area for each, okay, like this. Then I went to the trouble inputs list. I can search for the word force, like that. Okay, so this is here the office entry door forced open trouble, okay. If I look here, it's assigned to the office, okay. The other one, it's assigned to card rentals, okay. So basically we have the forced open on door 1, forced open on door 2 in two different areas. All right. Then I went to the keypad. And what I wanted to do first is to make sure the keypad is assigned to, the office area is assigned to the keypad. Okay. Then under the options, I wanted to display the area status on the keypad display. Okay. And I selected display alarm message. All right, and also display primary area messages only. This is the key. This is the option that will filter the messages, so this keypad only shows what's going on in the office area. Okay, and I save, download. For the keypad, we need to do a module update. I did that already before filming. Okay, so now I'm going to arm the car rental areas. So the exit delay beeper here on door 2. Arm the office area. Exit delay beeper on reader 1, on door 1. Perfect. So now if I force the door on the car rental area door, you see I have no messages. It still shows that the office area is armed, so this is just a beeper activation at the door. Now if I force this, I have a message showing that there's an alarm in memory on the keypad. So if I enter my PIN, now it's showing me the list of alarms. In this case, I have only one. Even if I restore it, it's still there. So I can enter to acknowledge. All right, and if I want to disarm, I can hit the disarm button. Okay, so basically, I showed you how to separate alarms between keypads. Okay, it's very easy to do, and this will allow each tenant to have the messages for his own partitions only. All right, and in this way you can have multiple tenants on the same GX or WX system. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button to follow our channel. We have hundreds of videos on different topics that are related to the products that we sell. All right, and also if you need help with tech support or sales, you can reach both teams from the Inaxsys.com website. Keep looking on the website too. There's new products are being released at this moment, so very interesting topics to follow there. Again, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.